Welcome to this lesson, Why Python is the #1 language for AI students. Python has truly become the universal language of artificial intelligence. It's simple to learn, yet incredibly powerful. Unlike other programming languages that can feel like solving a puzzle, Python feels more like giving instructions in English. Its gentle learning curve helps beginners take their first confident steps, while experts use it to build complex AI systems. With millions of tutorials, communities, and open-source resources, you're never alone while learning Python. Python's clean and readable style mirrors natural language, which means you spend less time fighting syntax and more time solving real AI problems. So, whether you're just starting out or you've been coding for years, Python opens the door to creativity, innovation, and discovery. Now let's talk about Python's dominant role in AI development. Python is not just a programming language. It's the foundation of modern AI systems. Think of it like this. If AI were a skyscraper, Python would be the steel structure holding everything together. Tech Intel. You've probably heard names like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. These are Python frameworks that make it easy to build, train, and test machine learning models. For handling large datasets, Python gives us tools like NumPy for number crunching and Pandas for analyzing data with just a few lines of code. And for visualizing data beautifully, we use MATLAB and Seaborn. Here's a quick example. In the code snippet, we first import TensorFlow. That's a library created by Google to build neural networks. Then we print a simple message that says, AI with Python. Next, we create a small model. Think of it as a stack of layers that will learn patterns from data. We define these layers using TensorFlow's built-in tools, just like building blocks. The beauty is that even complex AI models can be expressed in just a few readable lines of Python code. Python isn't limited to classrooms or research papers. It's powering the world around us right now. When you chat with AI assistants like ChatGPT or Gemini, that's Python working behind the scenes. When a self-driving car like Tesla navigates traffic, Python helps it process camera images and make real-time decisions. In hospitals, Python-based AI systems analyze scans, predict diseases, and assist doctors in diagnosing patients faster. Even in banking, Python models detect fraud, predict customer behavior, and automate trading decisions. In short, from your phone to your car to your hospital, Python is quietly shaping the future. So, who should learn Python for AI? If you're an AI engineering student, mastering Python gives you a strong foundation for your research projects, assignments, and future career. If you're a master's student in AI or machine learning, you'll find that almost all research papers and open-source projects use Python. It's the shared language of the global AI community. If you're an IT professional, Python helps you upgrade your skills and smoothly transition from traditional IT roles to high-demand AI positions. And if you're an AI entrepreneur, Python helps you prototype your ideas rapidly, turning your imagination into reality faster than ever before. In short, anyone who wants to be part of the AI revolution should start with Python. Let's quickly summarize the key takeaways. Python is easy to master because it reads almost like English. It's production ready, meaning the same language you learned today as a beginner is used by Google, Netflix, and OpenAI at massive scale. And it's a universal AI language, connecting millions of developers and researchers around the world. Learning Python is not just about writing code. It's about opening doors. Doors to innovation, to research, to new careers, and to shaping the future of artificial intelligence. So, wherever you are in your journey, Python is your essential first step. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like this video It helps others discover this content. Don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized AI lessons. I'll walk you through each concept from Python basics to advanced AI, step by step. And finally, share this video with your friends or classmates who are curious about AI, because when knowledge is shared, everyone grows together. Remember, the best time to start learning AI was yesterday. The second best time is today. So, make Python your first step, and the world of AI will soon become your playground.